Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we've got an exciting review of the Keychron C1, a wired mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank. Let's see if this 87 keyboard lives up to the hype. At Product Critique, we love mechanical keyboards for their superior typing experience, but they can be pricey. However, we found an exception, the Keychron C1, priced at just $49. Yes, you heard that right, a mechanical keyboard at a budget-friendly price. The Keychron C1 features a sleek 10-keyless design, meaning it doesn't have the number pad, giving you more space for your mouse to move around. It measures 1.5 by 14 by 5.1 inches and weighs only 1.5 pounds. The compact design also keeps the cost down, without compromising on performance. The base model we tested comes in a retro-inspired beige color, giving it a classic and appealing look. The keycaps match the base color with a light beige and gray scheme, and the red escape key adds a touch of flair. If you prefer a modern look, the backlit models come in a sleek black color scheme. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the typing experience. The Keychron C1 lets you choose between Gateron blues, reds, or browns. Our test model has Gateron browns, a tactile switch similar to Cherry MX browns. Typing with the C1 felt responsive and satisfying. The C1's keys have a tactile bump, providing a confident typing experience. In our testing, the keyboard performed well with both speed and accuracy. The only minor issue was some wiggle in the right-hand shift key, but overall, the typing experience was consistent and enjoyable. So, here's the verdict. The Keychron C1 is an excellent value at just $49. It may not have all the bells and whistles of pricier alternatives, but it delivers on the essentials: a great typing experience and a mature retro aesthetic. It's perfect for those on a tight budget who still want a quality mechanical keyboard. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried the Keychron C1 or if you have any other mechanical keyboard recommendations.